Now, let's talk about the numbers. I said I created my YouTube channel in 2013, but I did not start posting videos until 2019. So it's been 6 years, and I want to show you this number. Right now, you can see I'm at 11,837 subscribers. That took a long time to get that number. So be patient. It's going to take you a long time to get to thousands of subscribers. If you are not monetized, don't worry about this number here. You know how much I made in 1 week. This is called analytics. Channel analytics, you can see up here. And you can go here at the drop down list. You can see how many viewers and subscribers you got in the last week. And you can see in the last week I had 97 subscribers. You're not gonna get 97 subscribers the day you start your channel, so it's gonna take time. And the watch time hours is 451, and in 1 week I had 36,700 views. So in the beginning, in 1 week, you're not gonna get similar numbers because your channel is brand new, people don't know about it, and you need to start posting videos. All right, just be patient. In the analytics, you can also, I'll show you how many viewers or views I had in the last 28 days. I had over 166,000. And how much money did I make in a month? $86. It's a little more than, but about 86. But again, if you're not monetized, don't worry about how much you make. Right now, worry about the views. Post videos so that you can get views. That was in the last 28 days. Let's see, the last 3 months, 90 days. I had over 701,000 views, and I had over 1,000 subscribers, and I made over $300. Now, let's go to the last year, 365 days. I had over 3.3 million views, and that's a watch time, 29.9 thousand hours, and I had over 7,000 subscribers in the last year. And you might wonder, why so many subscribers? Because the last year, 2024, end of 2023, and this year, 2024, I started posting more than one video every single day. Sometimes I do like 5 short and 1 long form video. So that's what has led to this many number of subscribers and this many views in a year. Posting videos, again, like I said earlier, post videos every single day and post more than one video a day. And I made over $1,000. Now let's see the lifetime. How many views and how much money did I make the lifetime of my channel? And again, I started the channel in 2013, but I did not post any videos until 2019, so 6 years ago. And in 6 years, I've had over 6 million views and over 11,000 subscribers, and I've made almost $1,500. So I wanted to show you these numbers if your channel is brand new, so that you know you're not going to start from the top. You always start from the bottom. You start with 0 views and 0 subscribers. Start posting videos every single day. That's how you're going to grow your channel. So don't worry about when you're told use tags, hashtags here and there. Research what title your video need to have. Don't worry about all that. Something else I want to show you when I'm talking about posting videos every single day. As you can see, I have over 7,000 videos on my channel. So that can tell you, I know what I'm talking about when I tell you to post videos every single day. I have over 7,000. Some people may say that's a lot of videos, and that's true. But if you want to grow your channel, you see over the lifetime of my channel, I have over 6 million views. You have to have videos for people to come and watch. And I have a lot of shorts videos. I don't want to overwhelm you with numbers, but I record shorts. I also do live videos sometime. You won't qualify for this until you have, I think, 1,000 subscribers, but don't worry about that. And videos is just long form videos. So I record videos every single day. So that's what you need to do. Every single day, go to your channel, be motivated, and record a video at least. Don't worry about the video is not being watched. You come back the day later, you refresh the page and you only see 1 view, and probably you are the person who viewed the video. Talking about views, I encourage you, whenever you post a video, watch it and give it a thumbs up. That's a good thing. That's a good start. When somebody else see the video, they'll see, oh yeah, somebody else watched the video and liked it. So watch your own video and give it a thumbs up.